Have you ever wanted to see your old family photos come to life? Imagine a black and white picture suddenly becoming a vibrant, colorful video. Well, today, I'm going to show you an easy way to restore old photos using two powerful tools, 4DIG File Repair and Kling AI. This is a great method for beginners, so let's get started. Before we start, make sure you have 4DIG File Repair installed. I've put all the free links in the description. Once launched, head to the AI Enhancer and choose Photo Colorizer. Drag your old photo into the workspace, then click Colorize. And boom! A color photo has emerged. That's pretty cool, right? But you might be thinking the facial features could be a little sharper. We have a solution for that. To get a clearer image, return to the home page and select Photo Enhancer. Drag your photo in. I recommend using the face model here. You can also choose to upscale the image to 2K or 4K resolution, but I think 2K is enough for most photos. Hit Enhance and wait a moment. Wow, now the facial features are much sharper and more defined. You can really see the details. If the photo before enhancement has a retro, nostalgic feel, then the enhanced photo is almost like a brand new digital photo. Which one do you prefer? If you're satisfied with the result, go ahead and export the restored photo. Now, let's take it a step further and turn it into a short video with sound using Kling AI. Simply drag your photo directly into the interface. Now you need to enter a prompt to tell the AI what you want it to do. If you need some creative ideas, you can always use chat to generate some unique prompts for you. Before you click Generate, make sure you have the sound effects turned on. This will add another layer of life to your video. Just a heads up, there might be a time limit on the video length, so keep that in mind. I'm going to choose Professional Mode, and then hit Generate. Now, let's take a look at the result. And there you have it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. See you.